Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up basic cable connections for your new Hemisphere Alta monitor. So first thing we're going to do is grab these pressure cables that look like this. The other end of this pressure cable is plugging into the side of the monitor. So I'm going to take this first cable and I'm going to directly connect it to the arterial waveform, to the arterial transducer. That's going to send the arterial waveform directly to the new Alta monitor. I'm then going to use this splitter off the cable to send the arterial pressure over to your Philips monitor. So you've got these new trifurcated cables that keep things more organized. I'm going to make the red connection for arterial. I'm going to plug that in. The other end of this cable, the red one, is plugging into this pressure brick for your arterial waveform. We're going to do the exact same step with our central venous pressure transducer. I'm going to grab a second one of these. The other end is plugged in over on the Hemisphere Alta. Directly connect, listen for the click, the CVP directly to this cable. Take the splitter and take your CVP for your Philips pressure cable, connect that. The other end of the blue port for the CVP is going there for Philips. For pulmonary artery pressure, I'm going to directly connect to the transducer. There's no splitting happening with pulmonary artery pressure. I'm now going to zero my monitors. Stopcocks go up, like you do, and you're going to zero Philips like normal, no change. We also need to zero the Alta monitor. So I've put in the height, weight, age, and gender. Start the session. You're going to choose Swan. Proceed to setup. You'll notice it opened up that zero screen for us, so I can go ahead at this point, hit zero all pressures. You'll see the note there that it's zeroed. If that didn't open up for you, you can also press the zero button right here. It opens up that same menu. Stopcocks are up, zero all pressures. And then touch outside of it to go away. Second thing now we're going to move to is connecting our Swan. So this is your continuous cardiac output cable. You're going to make the same two connections that you always have. And connect the white, screw it on, and the blue. And then your oximetry cable, same thing that you've done before, sliding in that oximetry chip and closing the door. We're going to come back to our monitor and we're going to do our in vitro calibration. You can see this venous oximetry button's flashing at you. I'm going to select that. I'm going to choose in vitro calibration. I'm going to enter my hemoglobin and press calibrate.